Now, what's popping? What has Ringtone got for us in the store when it comes to Guardian Angel? To be honest, we don't know. We'll have to wait until 10 to see what he'll come through and say, because Ringtone has great tend to expose Guardian Angel, saying that there are stuff that he has been hiding from people, and that was immediately after he got engaged to his girlfriend ESTHER MUSILA. And that leaves me wondering, why now, bro? Because if there are stuff that Guardian Angel has been hiding and Ringtone knew all this time, well, he would have come through and exposed them after this guy started dating. But he had to wait until Guardian Angel got engaged. So what's up? Is he trying to chase clout? I don't know, but it won't be a surprise because you guys already know that Ringtone is a serial clout chaser. Yeah, you guys already know that. Anyways, man, having said that, here's what Ringtone came through and said, threatening to expose Guardian Angel after he got engaged to his girlfriend ESTHER MUSILA. Enjoy.
Kesho nina expose Guardian Angel vibaya sana, na kuanzia kesho nadhani Guardian Angel amekwisha. Niko na vitu ambavyo amefanya ambavyo anajifanya bado, na muexpose kesho. Kesho I am exposing Guardian Angel, na kuexpose kesho mimi, na sina mchezo. Kesho saa 4 naenda kuita press conference. Kesho saa 4 watu nunua bando. Kesho saa 4 watu weka simu yako vizuri, tafuta time, itisha off kutoka kazini. I am exposing Guardian Angel kesho saa 4 asubuhi. Na sina mchezo. Guardian Angel hataki hypocrites.
Yeah, anaitwa Ringtone Apoko, bro. To be honest, I can't wait to see what he'll come through and say. And if he says something that is worth sharing, you guys already know that I'll be right here to update you ASAP. Anyways, man, that is what's good. I don't know, what do you guys think about Ringtone? Do you guys think he's just trying to chase clout, or do you guys think that he has some things which are genuine concerning Guardian Angel? Because we can't count him out. Yeah, you guys already know that previously we did, and he proved us wrong, bro. So go ahead and tell us what you think down the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, blizzguy.ke, and I'll see you guys in the next one.